Hi everybody, welcome aboard. This is Alyogi. It's great to see you. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do prep poses for your hips, and then we're going to go into the full hip pose, and then we're going to ease off. Okay, so it's really opening out your hips, really good. Also elongating the spine, and yeah, we're just going to use yogic breaths, which is breathing in through your nose. You've got receptors in your skull here that take in prana, and then we're just going to breathe out our mouth. So just belly breathing, filling up your whole lungs and belly, and then through the nose, and then breathing out your mouth. Now I've got something really good for you if you stick around towards the end that I'm going to put you onto that I've used. It's a great thing to help you fine tune your body and mind. So it's like a bonus for you. So yeah, stick around. Now the first pose we're going to do, we're just going to basically open the hips up. You grab your ankles, don't grab your toes. You've got little bones in here that basically you can bend them. So just opening out your hips. Start off just opening your hips out. Use the breath. Breathing in through the nose. Great. Breathe out again through the mouth. Purifying breath. Good, guys. Just work away at opening up the hips. This is a prep pose. Preparing for the full pose. Oh, just ease off. That's great. The next pose is we're going to do child's pose. This is just to get ready to go into the full pose. And this is going to just help you with your spine and actually open your hips up as well. So just putting your knees apart, putting your hands out, and then just moving back into your forehead, breathing through the nose, out the mouth, elongating the back, opening up the armpits, and sitting back. Obviously, when you're doing the pose yourself, you can hold it for a minimum of 30 to 60 seconds, breathing yogic pose. Pulling back. Great, guys, that's awesome. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the full pose, and that is basically just putting your foot here like that, putting your leg back, and just prep pose. And then put your hands out if you can. If you can't, just stay in this pose, guys. And then just put your hands out for the people that can, and come right down, stretching out with the hands and opening up. Use the breath. Great. And then just gently coming up. So that's good. It's good. Obviously, you'll be holding that pose for a minimum of 60 seconds or to 100 seconds. With the breath. I'm just going through the basic poses for you. So we're going to do the other side now. So just bear with me, and I've got something for you guys. So the other one, put your foot back, go down into Sphinx pose, and then just extending out, breathing out, going into the full pose. great, guys. Just keep going. Use the breath, yogic breath, breathing in through the nose and out the mouth. And then just gently coming up. Awesome. So those are the basic poses. Now just a little recap. So we're doing preparation poses, and then we're doing the full pose. We're using the breath, yogic breath through the nose because of the receptors that take in prana. We're breathing out the mouth. That's a purifying yogic breath. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's really good. It helps your hip flexors, help open your hips. And just with yoga, just remember that it's about gradually growing every single day, lifting your vibration, purifying your body and mind. And that's what asana is basically doing. And that allows you to go deeper into meditation. Okay, so that's what it's all about. Now I've got something special for you guys that I've used, and it's below. So click that. That'll be awesome. And just a side note, guys, I really appreciate you guys being here. It's awesome to see you guys. It's so important that you practice each day, just a little bit if you're busy, but make sure you give yourself time for the poses. Do a little bit of relaxation, especially for your mind in this day, guys. And then just work away on the poses, building gradually, okay? So I'd really appreciate it if you tab subscribe, tab the like, and write a comment with the poses or anything about yoga or any questions you've got. That'd be awesome. So don't forget, click the link. And this is Alyogi. Great to see you guys.